Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious pan fruit rice, also known as Banga Jollof rice. Only Nigerians will understand this. So let's get cooking. All right, so I just finished cooking my meat. This is the pot I use in cooking the meat, and that's the stock that came out of the meat. So I just added the palm fruit cream into the stock. So I'm gonna go ahead and dissolve it properly. Add some water. I added water to like help loosen it up a little bit. So I'm going to stir it until everything is well dissolved. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this and let it boil for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see it's boiling finely. I'm going to go ahead and add some habanero pepper, add some shredded onion, add some banga spices, and also locust bean powder. This is optional. If you don't like it, you can skip it. I added a little okpei, add stock fish, stir it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning cube. I am using Maggi cubes. You can use any seasoning cube of choice. I use you can see 4 cubes of Maggi, original Maggi cube. So stir it properly and then add my very washed rice. So make sure you wash your rice properly until the water runs clean before you add it. You don't need to parboil your rice. If you want to parboil, instead I love soaking my rice in hot water, then wash it properly. I don't like parboiling the rice. Okay, mix it well and then cover this to steam. You're steaming the rice, So it's about 5 minutes later. I am shaking on this rice because I don't want it to burn at all. So as you can see, just shaking it and give it some fluff. Then add my dried cleaned shrimp. Add some dried fish. I'm using mangala fish. Dried and deboned, washed and deboned fish, dried fish. So just go ahead and cover it and let it steam. As you can see, the water is dried but not really dried, so our rice is still cooking, just needs some time. So I just went ahead and added some hairy powder. That is, I think they call it shower. Yes, shower fish. It's just a dried fish grounded. Then I went ahead and add some dry nchanu, which is scent leaf. Then added some fresh parsley leaves. This is optional, but nchanu is a necessity. You must add nchanu to bring out the taste of your banga jollof rice. So just stir it. I covered it for you to steam for about 5 minutes, and there you go. The rice is ready. Very easy and simple to make. So if you're hungry or your family is hungry, just get into the kitchen. If you have banga at hand, fix this. It's a quick fix. As you can see, I just served the rice with my grilled turkey. You can serve it with any meat or protein of choice. So believe me, this tastes so yummy and delicious. You need to really try this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.